I don't think I have any friends.
Wow.
No, I don't have any friends.
The DNA results conclusively prove that you are not.
Ameda was say wo hwe me. Me pese me bisa wo simple question bi. Kasa adamfo a hwan na ye adamfo. Omu se ye kwa ye bai obi e wo nadamfo a woni no enam. But ebi mu so ayo madwen say no because of past experiences inti adamfo de me mfa bida. Ye sister bia be din kombo e wo the lady circle so. Na kasa e dia fa anamfo ho na nsem na ka no it will shock you. Na me gidi sese wunya botre etie ehwe ekosi yeye a ubesua bribi e dia frame. Yen brother bi ene yen sister bi nso omokwa kogina court. Na court no asem omode call ye no. Be ma no one ne yire ena ete. Na ne yire no afa nachi before say omobe wale no excuse me. Ena ne yire no efa nachi. Inti ofa nachi no osan eni be ma no ebedaaye. Emma ne yire no enyemeye. As I'm speaking de omo aware. Onyemeye. But onyemeye na omo ewo abofra no. Be ma no ekoye DNA. Emma DNA no approve say abofra no enye be ma no ne ba. Na nsemu a oyire ene okunu no eka no court ho no it will shock you, but I want you to learn something from it. And until na me pese wo hwe sa video no and this stories me anyway and amene wo ba beche yenko yen first story no eso o se mpanyifo ebu bebi say hu mani so maminti na atwemienu enam ye fa obi adamfo senye be ya se ye ko ahohie bi mu ye ko ahokyere bi mu a nipa no obetimi aboa ye ngo ekwan bi eso se anye sika fo mu kura betimi aye futuo ebetimi aye any other help enunti obi biala e wona damfo a ono no enam na ansa no obi besi ne bo na waka se media damfo de me mfa damfo e wo miwiase mu ne de na nipa no e woni obi edi aye no yen sister yi a obetro TV3 na okasa yi na asem yi na o kan se calendar ono de woni damfo bia e wona setena mu adenti na o kasa mema me kasa enye tintin yenko na yenko hwe video no emra na se yekohwe ba metoa so e de afiri ho na me gidi se wo hwe video no enkosi awiye no obesua bribi e de afiri mesrew ansa na yebekọ no subscribe to this channel for me na we yesen yankopon obehira wo ye hwe video no emra meda wo se
I don't think I have any friends.
Wow.
No, I don't have any friends. I wouldn't say I have friends.
Yes,
I have
high school from
Have you broken someone's heart tonight?
I mean, I have friends that I've known for so long that now they're family.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
And I have maybe about 3 of those in my life, but I wouldn't say I have friends. I have a lot of associates that I love very much.
Okay.
You know, but I've been through some experiences that really made me realize that the word friend, I don't even think it exists.
Wow.
In my opinion, you have to be really, really careful with people.
Yes. Yeah. A lot of us throw the word friends, you know, so easily, like you said, when a lot of people are really just acquaintances, people who pass through your life to teach you a lesson, to help you grow, etc., etc. But then there are certain people who you can swear by have your back through and through. And like you said, a lot of them become family. Yeah. So it's interesting. You're like, oh, a lot of the friends that I consider friends are now family. But Helen, what would you say constitutes true loyalty in like a friend relationship?
I feel like it's okay or it's fun to be friends with someone when things are going well, when they are at their best, at their peak, and vice versa. You know, we're all, it's easy. It's easier when things are going well. A true test of loyalty and friendship is when you are not your best.
Yep.
You know, when you need that support and that loyalty the most. I remember growing up, my parents always used to complain about how much premium I put on my friendships, and Helen is all about her friends. Can't wait to get home from school, log on to MSN, chat with friends. Can't wait to, you know, for the weekend to go out with friends. The older I get, the more I realize that it's not as easy to maintain friendships when you get older because real life gets in the way and we all change and life really does change us.
Yeah.
So I think it's really a question of when you're at your lowest, who is really there for you? And I kind of want to agree with Yazzie. The older you get, you realize when it's all said and done, it's probably your family that has your back the most at the end of the day. But I do have some good friends who have been there for me at my most unlovable. When I probably didn't deserve their friendship, they really came through, and I keep them close. But I think friendships get trickier with age. And just because you've been friends with somebody for 20 plus years, a lot of us hold on to that, and we think that's a measure of friendship. I've been friends with her since I was 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you think,
but you outgrow it. You know, you become different people.
Yeah, and even if they haven't changed and you've changed, that's okay. It's life.
Yeah. But shouldn't we have different categories of friends, though? It's a lesson that I kind of learned over the years, that you cannot expect every single friend to be the same way.
Yep.
Right? For instance, a lot of people tell me that I'm horrible with WhatsApp communication and calls. Helen, please don't roll your eyes. Right? But I think once I accepted that and they accepted it and realized that, no, with Sika, you need to be person to person to really have that connection, then everybody was okay. I have friends who are my prayer warriors, who are the people that, listen, when I need to really get vulnerable and talk to, these are the people that I go to. I also have the people that when I need to let my hair down and have a good time, these are the people, so that I know what to expect from everybody and not be disappointed. Shouldn't that be the way we, approach this thing called friendship?
I love that you said that, because what you do with friend A, you might not be able to do with friend B, right?
And that's okay.
And that's why, in my opinion, I say friends become family, because if you truly consider someone a friend, you know how they are, and that's okay.
Yeah.
You know that Yazzie might not call you every day, but you know that when you do call Yazzie, like, I'm riding for, you're my friend, I'm riding. Like, what are we doing? We're going to kill somebody? We're going to rob a bank? Like, but we might not be able to talk every day. So that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's like being at home with your siblings, right? You fight with your sister over your dresses, over hair, over the TV remote, and then she's back to your sister again. So that's definitely true.
Yeah.
Sister, wakasa wedding komo pa. Omu say, yes, we muno. Se ufa ubi say wadamfua. Ujidi ene say, so uko ahunyihimu, uko ahunchilimu, the person will be there for you. Sa nye sika fo mu kura na afutu a wode bemma encouragement nkura shebi what's what the month you be you will come back to your life again. I was saying any to me render that kind of help on the mount. Let's see ya no the air cost so any sense will be now. Let's walk here more a whole and the pan bemo who say Sebe and nana now one no and namono. Not any or do be ena or what at the mount. The person may betray you. What you say anything about crack and say my and fire won't end to when you pass so town will be say we hear the panomoa who hear the foot. No, and any panocra obi nani at the amount. In this new man, quay nasi obi a benwa, Unia and forward the end to say the panoso. Said you knew my equay na one and namono, said near my essay, ya, and yet the same way. And the say pano one ever 90. It is a war Adam phobia, men can't say men for Adam for. Yes, we are there to help each other. But your quenya would do who ever tone so. Now I g no ID. Say, oh, nipa wedi no matter what, no me or nobody is coming to save you except you yourself, not even your parents. In Tiadam for the overfather, but and for when the end to be so I was asking now with you. And yes, sir, the time that you need them most, that is when they will betray you, that is when they will disappoint you. And when the end sister, okay, me this was your baby, and the free moon, young far Adam 4 dear. Or no, they will see when they be, but maybe they say, young Fabi, but boom and forward the end to Adam Fosso. Bombardinia, so one cassa, obey bribi, at the amount, obey bribi, at the above, obey our consul, no Muslinia Sunday, unco or how be mo. So, co how more, a honor will say Adam 4 and a Cindy Pana, when no and namono. Obey to me a betrayal, obey to me a wama. In this a wee year, why being sa, Sibi Sakura is here, a young mamma, young quay and second story no, eso. Say, Obani Okunu Etia, Ansana or more ever waleno. They will go through some kind of relationship. In Tia brother Bakun or Nenejre, Ena a woho. But before say or Mobe Warano, Obano Enyeme, Ena or Wubiano, Awariano echoes. Into a wo area yano na Bemano equie DNA, and a who say no, Abofrano Enyeneba. Into the assembly echo courts. A one a judge, already DNA results no edi chere oba no ene ne kunu no enti all of them were sure say abofra no enye bema no ba but according to mama no o see the way abofra no pe o papa asem na papa no so epe ne ba no asem no is very marvelous enti yanko na yanko ti the judges no omo kan na die awalefo yi so ekan ye ebehye hunkunan ama wo se se wudo obi a you love the person no matter what yanko na yanko he video no emra yakoba yebeto so e de afi wo ansa na yebekọ no wunya subscribe ya besra so be subscribe to Agenda TV Ghana awo yesa yankopon obeshira ehwe video no emra me da wase.
The DNA results conclusively prove that you are not the father.
Mr. Willis, what's going through your mind right now?
Betrayal, I mean, heartbroken.
I see the tears in your eyes. What are you thinking?
Am I strong enough to keep going? Because I am all he know, and that's an important thing to me, as in trying to be a father, because there is a difference. I didn't have my father.
I would like to apologize to Latray.
Do you know who the father is?
I have an idea of who is the father.
So why did you think that if you were sleeping with someone else at the same time you were sleeping with Mr. Willis, why were you so sure it was his baby?
Because that was Latray was the last person that I had slept with.
Ms. Higgins, from your perspective, what do these results mean for your relationship with Mr. Willis?
I want him to still be there for Knowledge, even though that Knowledge is not his. Because him and Knowledge does have that bond to where they have that bond to where when I walk in the room, it's not even about me. It's about him and Knowledge. Knowledge don't pay me no attention. Like, that's his dad.
Yeah.
Like, and I just hope that me and him can get past it.
Do you still love Ms. Higgins?
I still love Miss Higgins.
Ms. Higgins, do you still love him?
Yes, I do.
Love can conquer anything.
I think we just got
Believe
cut
that.
out if we didn't.
Love indeed overcomes everything. Watch a video on what see munsem. Odo emu edu pa na odo etumi ekonka bibibiala ewe wiase we mu. Omu se di we abema no okasa aye no. O se odo ne yere no. Enu nti obekoso na wone no atena. Se ye obi anko beka se obi amene wo eti. Na wafom achi esenya kwa akowode na bofra no enye meba meni sa bofra no ba betena efie ba akomu. It's not going to happen. But bema no say odo ne yere. Whatever that has happened no. Atwam ekọ nti odo ne yere obekoso ene ne yere atena na judges no can say yes, this is what we call love. Odo emu edu enti se waka saa ye behye mu nkuna se mu nkoso na bonanti na bibibiala ebekoyie edi ama omu enti bema no one ne yere no esan akambu se okunu ene oyere enti asemu yi a wati ana se video here wahwe sunya bribi efrim sa we oba is no good se obefa okunachi na wakwa we ye be man so a na se bibi sa esi a una woni moyere no yesi to L is human from so ebatani pa ho oba no ohwe na wanya nuhum bi na woni be man akasa no mumienu agi atum eno nti they are just going to live happily without any problem. Say ye wo na se wuntumi enwale ya just cut everything short and for oba no enkotena fie na entieti oba no na wakachi aware no obetumi no eno natena so a never speak about the problem or this issue again. Send ye be the peace that you have with your wife it will continue to be there. Inti me nuansɛm mienu wi na me ne wo aba behwe. Inti meslow ne wadwen eye wo bia no efa first story ne second story no ko comment section wo na kyerɛ wadwen na ye nyinaa ye mubo na ye nsua biribi emfirim se ne ye be ya ye nso ebeboa ye o ya setena mu me da wase me de wo ebesi ya na ansa ne ye be kɔ no mesrɛ wo nya subscribe ya you subscribe to this channel aboa ama channel no so etumi atumpu yankopon hyira me ne wo ebehie bi sisi ye ide makra bye bye.